Good morning everyone. It's currently 11:46 and we've just left our hostel.
Slept in a bit today.
Yeah, slept in a bit. I didn't get to sleep until 2. I think jet lag's still creeping. But we've just left our hostel and we're gonna go get some breakfast. We've left our bags at the hotel because we're not getting our train tonight till 6:30. So then we will document what it's like to be on an overnight train for 13 hours.
Happy New Year.
Thank you, you too.
Tik Thai.
I like your hat. Cool hat. Nice.
Where do you come from? England.
Nice hat, huh? Nice.
I'm a teacher here, teacher.
You're a teacher?
Yes.
What's your name?
Tong.
Tong.
And you?
Jacob.
Jacob. Number one. How do you like Thailand?
Nice to meet you. Very nice. Very nice. Do you want your hat?
Oh, sorry.
Nice hat though, huh? Suits you.
Officially backpackers now, 7-Eleven cheese and ham toasty. Cheers. Oh.
Not bad.
What? That's so good. Look at that. Like it? Iconic.
I've got some juice as well. I don't know what it is, but it tastes nice.
Banana muffin, about 10 baht. How much is 10 baht? The muffin man! The muffin man! Iconic moment.
Oh, cheese down my lips.
Jacob, don't. Brownie. Brownie? It's not a brownie. A banana muffin. So for banana muffin, and then like mineral drink, and a ham and cheese toasty, it costs £1.45. Oh, that is good.
I don't want any, I'm alright.
Why? Iconic.
So stand near the bridge. You can't see it.
Huh?
Stand there. To the left a bit.
Are you taking a photo?
To the left a bit. That's right. Left a bit. And again. A bit more right.
That's...
A bit more right.
Currently waiting for our boat to take us to... Where? A floating market, maybe? Scared. Taxi is shit. So his person is Tuk Tuk. Say hi, Tal. Say hi. Wave. We just need some loud music now.
Sounds like the boy racing cars around Boston.
We've got the lights, we just need the music. We need a massive speaker on the back. Surat Thani. It doesn't departure for another hour, but we need to be on by 5:30. So here we go. 13 hours commences. Jacob's a bit of a stressy. some baggage space. Jake is making himself comfy in my bed, man. This is, your bed's up there, mate. This is my bed. And we've got some hooks, free hooks for our baggage. We've actually started moving now. We are half an hour late, but hey ho. Hello. Hi.
I've just woken up. I can't say that I had the best night's sleep ever, but it wasn't too bad. Train was meant to get to Surat Thani at 7:47 and it's like 10 to 9, so it's late.
Good morning everyone, we are 5 minutes arriving at Surat Thani. The journey overall has been alright. It's just a bit hard to get to sleep. Beds are comfy. What was your thought on it, darling?
Yeah, it was alright. A bit light.
Yeah, Jacob had the top bunk and the top bunk is really light. There's like 2 lights on the ceiling.
Pretty much slept like this all night.
Yes. It was lovely down here. It was nice and dark. You got the bed made for you. This bed was actually more comfy than our hostel. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Time to go off the train. So we have just got off the train. It is so hot here, like really hot. Maybe it's just because we've been on like an AC train for 13 hours, but we've just bought our train ticket and our bus ticket. So we have to get a hour bus journey to the port, and then we've got a boat that will take us to Koh Samui. So altogether I think it was 360 baht, which is about £8, something around £8 anyway. So really cheap. We've just got, I think we've got an hour until our bus leaves, so then we will get to the hotel for about 2 o'clock, so that'd be perfect because you can't normally check in until about 2 anyway, but oh, it's so humid. But yeah, we just paid for that. So now we're just probably gonna go to 7-Eleven and get a drink and a cheese and ham toasty.
Are we there yet?
Another hour to go, and then we've got a boat